Drivers will appreciate the ease of operation and comfort in the Peterbilt cab. Convenient storage is provided above the door and designed to hold a total of 14 pounds or 6 kilograms per compartment. Additional overhead compartments are provided in the header. The driver and passenger side door pads both contain storage compartments with an integrated water bottle holder. For your convenience, 2 retractable cup holders are located in the center of the dashboard. When the sun is in your eyes, the sun visor can be easily positioned to make your view clear and safe. The 579 has a glove box provided to store important documents. 2 power ports are located close to the cup holders on the dash. When equipped with the optional multifunction premium steering wheel, the driver will have access to audio and cruise control switches right at their fingertips.